Hello guys and welcome. Today we're doing kind of a review slash first impression video. Just got this box out of the mail. It took a while to get. It took like 2 weeks, I want to say. I thought maybe it was lost, but it's here. So this is from the company Pura. This video is not sponsored. I found one of their ads on, I don't know, Facebook, one of the something I was scrolling, and I just wanted to check it out. Now, if you guys have been following me, you know that I'm obsessed with like diffusers and like just making my house smell good. So when I saw these, I was like very intrigued and I wanted to give it a shot. So I went on their website. I think it was around Labor Day. They were having a special where it was like if you do a bundle. Oh no, it was the more items you buy, the more of a discount you get. So I think I bought about 5 things. I got a couple free items too. So we're just gonna go in the box and see what I have in here. If you're not familiar with Pura, it is a smart fragrance diffuser. So this is like, I think this is like the main thing that they have. I also did get a car fragrance diffuser. I have no idea what these things look like. I literally just got them. I haven't even opened them up yet. So this one is the smart fragrance diffuser. So this one is for your home. Oh, and apparently you download an app and like you control everything from an app. So I thought that was kind of cool. So this is the Pura 4. Oh, there's an empty box. Like, why? So it looks like this. I'm just trying to figure out how to open this darn thing. Oh, this is the actual thing. Okay, cool. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So it plugs in, it goes this way. So I'm assuming you open it and then put the scents in here. Okay, yeah, so I guess you can put 2 different ones in here. And I don't know if you mix them or if it just does one at a time. I need to learn about all of this because I know nothing about it. So, what does it say? Step 1, plug in diffuser. You'll see a pulsing blue light. Download the Pura app and set up diffuser, create an account. That's it. That's all it tells me to do. We will get to this part in a little bit. I'll plug it in and show you guys, but right now, I want to start smelling everything. So, all right, let's open the car diffuser. Make every drive smell good. Is this another empty box? What? Why is this empty? I don't get it. Why is there, why? Okay, so this is what this little guy looks like. It has a little thing here and there's an on-off switch on the back here. And then this is where the little insert goes. And then, oh, that is like an on-off button. Okay, does this have to be plugged in? Okay, so it has a cord. So I'm assuming this thing has to be plugged in the car. We will figure that out later too. I just really want to get into the scents. This is the car one. This is Capri Blue Volcano Car Diffuser Refill. So I know nothing about these scents. Like apparently there's some anthropology scents. I don't know what that means. Like I don't know that I've ever even been in an anthropology store. So I don't know what that smells like, but we're gonna open this and see what this smells like. What is that? I don't know how I feel about this. Okay, so there's like a little thing on the back here and then there's also one in there, so I'm assuming it goes in like that. And then yeah, obviously I'll have to plug this in and we'll get this in the car. But what am I smelling here? Does it say what it is? I'm on their website now. I can tell you guys a little bit more. So the Pura 4, which is this guy, it says fill space for medium rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and living rooms. What does that remind me of? You know what it kind of smells like? If you guys have ever used the Australian Gold like tanning lotion, that's kind of what it smells like. It says the iconic cult favorite now goes where you go with a perfect blend of tropical and exotic sugared citrus notes. So yes, that is pretty much what the Australian Gold smells like. Okay, I like it. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about it in my car every time I get in, but we'll see. Hopefully it'll smell really good. They did send me 2 of these vanillas. So these are the ones that will go in the home diffuser. I thought I was only getting 1 of these. They're really teeny tiny, but that is what these look like. And then you take the cap off Okay, this is really like artificial smelling. Oh, dang it. No wonder it was free. Like really, really like artificial vanilla scent. Maybe when you put it in the diffuser and it's just like a little bit at a time, hopefully it won't be too strong like that, but that's like really, okay. This next one, this is an Anthropology one. This is Honey Crisp Oak Wood. And that is what this one looks like. Same as the other one. So ooh, I can already smell it and it smells like fall. It smells really good. Okay, Crisp Oak Wood. Sensory kaleidoscope of crisp fall leaves are enhanced with woodland herbs and redwood tree bark over sweet harvest apple. I'm mostly getting apple. It's very appley, but this one will be perfect for fall. This one I did pay for. So I paid for the Capri Blue, this one, and then this one. This is the Coconut Calm, and then like I said, I got the two vanilla ones for free. This one says, welcome endless summer sensations with cool ocean breezes, dreamy island coconut, and sensuous vanilla bourbon. And I can already smell this one. Oh my gosh. Oh, this smells amazing. This one just smells like a hotel. Like this one smells so good. This one, yeah. I'm gonna show you guys one other thing I did get. This is their fall bestsellers. So it's little scent samples, which is really cool. So like they send you this booklet. So if there's any in here, you can, you know, order them, because it is hard to tell. Like you look at what is in everything, but you look at all the ingredients, but you don't know how they're gonna smell together. So I'm gonna just go through these with you guys. I don't know, you can either, I don't know if you have similar taste as me, but I'll just give you my opinion. So this first one is pumpkin and sweet vanilla. That is what that one looks like. And it just says pumpkin souffle, spices, and vanilla cream. Smells good. It smells like, it's very sweet. It just smells like your kitchen. Like if your kitchen at fall time, that smells really good. Next one is pumpkin chai, pumpkin masala chai and spices. And that is what that one looks like. The spices are pretty cinnamony. What is that chai? What is the chai spice? Like is there cinnamon in there? There's definitely cinnamon. It smells good. Not my favorite. All right, this next one is simmered cider, juicy apple, cardamom, and bourbon. And that is what that one looks like. Ooh, I like that. That one smells good. It really does kind of smell like bourbon. I like that one. I think so far that one's my favorite. The next one is spiced pomander, bitter orange, cinnamon bark, and vanilla. That's what that one looks like. I don't like that one. I don't like that one. I don't like that one at all. It reminds me of like a tea, like, I don't know. I don't like that one. Moving on. Cranberry fizz, cranberry juice, mission plum, and agave. That one smells like Christmas. That one smells really good. That just smells like Christmas. That's a good one. Okay, pumpkin dolce, white pumpkin, sweet ginger snap, and whipped vanilla. No. I don't like that one. There's a little bit of pumpkin, but then there's something else, like almost like leather or something. I don't like that one. Okay, this is the last one. This is Sally Black Amber Spice. This is a Disney scent. This has blood orange, night blooming jasmine, and black sandalwood. And that is what this one looks like. Is it A Nightmare Before Christmas? Yes, it is. Okay, Nightmare Before Christmas. Duh, Sally. All right, let's see. I have high hopes for this one. It's okay. The sandalwood, I can definitely smell the sandalwood. It's just okay. I don't think I would like to use that one. If I didn't mention it already, this video is not sponsored. If you guys want more information, I'll put their website down below if you guys want to check it out. But like this, I'm not getting any payment off of this. I bought all of this with my own money. So yeah, I'll just post it down there if you guys want to look more into it. But all right, so we're gonna go in the other room and get these plugged in and see what we're working with. Let's go. Okay, we're currently in the bathroom because this is the quietest room right now. So we're just gonna open this up and I'm gonna put them in here. Let's see. Oh, okay, cool. So you can move this. This thing turns, so if you want to like if you have a sideways outlet, it can turn as well. So that's nice, okay. Okay, so I'm assuming these just go right in like this. They just kind of snap right in like that. I have the coconut calm and then the honey crisp oak wood. And then, all right, so plug that in. So now I have it plugged in and it lit up blue. I'm going to the app now. So I already downloaded the app when I first ordered it just so that it was ready. So I'm going to the Pura app, set up diffuser. Pura 4, yes. Plug in your diffuser upright, okay. Now it says it's searching. Now it says it's connecting. Okay, it's connected, cool. So now continue. Oh, we gotta do my Wi-Fi, hold on. Okay, so it says it's connecting. Please wait while your diffuser connects to your Wi-Fi. Okay, it's now connected. Continue. Set diffuser room. This will help you easily find and control. I think I'm just gonna put, it in the kitchen for now, just because it'll stay high up from the baby. So I clicked on kitchen, save, and then continue. Now it says it's checking for updates. There's an update available, really? This could take several minutes. All right, let's do it. Okay, so I think it's ready. It says continue. Smart files are here. What? Check under your fragrance file for a smart chip and insert into diffuser without scanning. Oh shoot, was I not supposed to put it in yet? Okay, sounds good. Oh, okay, so it already popped up. It knows exactly which ones are in there. Continue. Create a scent schedule. We'll do that later. Okay. So then I'm gonna go in. I hope you guys can see this. Now I'm gonna go in there. Okay, so you can put it on strong, subtle, medium. Okay. I'm gonna do a timer. I'm just gonna run it for 30 minutes and just see what happens. Oh, I can definitely smell it. Okay. So I'm assuming it's just gonna run for 30 minutes and keep it at a medium scent. I can definitely smell it. It's not like super duper strong. It smells really, really good. Another thing I forgot all about, you can pick like any color you want for the nightlight part. So I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try it like on pink. Okay. And then, oh, look at it, it's changing. Oh, that's so cool. That is so cool. And then you can do the brightness. Oh, that's so cool. All right, I'm gonna put it like on pink. That's so cool. Okay, so I have it plugged in here. I don't exactly, oh, you know what? There's an on-off button in the back. Hold on. I turned it on. Oh, and it's definitely making a noise. So I'm gonna go, okay, it's really strong. It's just kind of going on its own. I'm gonna download the app and see if I can adjust that or what happens. It's Pura car. Plug in, toggle, okay, did that. Okay, and then it stopped. So I guess if you just plug it in without the app, it's just gonna go. Checking for updates. Oh no. Oh good, it's up to date. Pick a safe place in your car. Fit nicely in your cup holder. Well, yeah, but I want to use my cup holders, so I'm just doing this. Recharge with any, wait, recharge? Automatic scenting automatically turns on when you get in your car and turns off after you drive. Okay, that's cool. I'll just leave it like that. And then it shows which one is in there, which that is correct. Okay. How do you press the top of your Pura car to start diffusing? Press again to adjust. Okay. Okay, so you do it once is strong, medium, and subtle. Oh, okay, I can see it kind of changes colors there. So I'm just gonna keep it on subtle so that it doesn't like kill me. And then sounds good. Diffuser setup complete. Okay, so I guess that's it. And here is a little video of what it looks like at night, so you can see how it works really well as a nightlight. Overall, I'm really happy about this thing. I have made like a morning schedule and an evening schedule, so it scents at like certain times for us. So overall, I'm definitely happy with this thing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you all on my next video. Bye!